Whenever I have cabbage at home, I make this recipe. Here I have half a cabbage and I'll slice it like this. Let me know what your favorite cabbage recipe is because I'd love to hear about it. Once the cabbage has been sliced, I'll transfer it to this container. Set it aside, and now in another container, add 3 eggs and beat very well. This recipe is incredibly delicious. You'll love the result. Add the beaten eggs to the cabbage and then use the spoon to break up the cabbage. Now I'm going to add some chopped parsley. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and stir to combine the ingredients. Set aside. Now add olive oil to a pan and brush the bottom of the pan with it. Now add the cabbage with the beaten egg and spread evenly in the pan. If necessary, add another beaten egg. Now I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes over low heat. Once this time has elapsed, we'll turn the other side using a plate. Add tomato sauce and then spread it over the top. Now cut the pepperoni into slices. Then place the slices of pepperoni on top of the sauce. It's a delicious, tasty pizza that doesn't contain any flour. Now add grated mozzarella cheese on top. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Look how the cheese has melted, and I'm going to add more chopped parsley on top. I'll put the lid on and leave it for another minute. And now we can turn off the heat and serve. Look how delicious this pizza was. There was nothing left over and everyone at home loved it. Let me know what you think of this recipe. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.